What is this fool doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? What you doing? Hey, bro, what you doing? You're a stray cat. I don't know you. What you doing here? Buddy, what are you doing here? What could you possibly be doing in my house? Right, yeah, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
Where is he? He's over here.
He's over here.
Hey, wait, don't bother him.
See him?
He doesn't know us, he might get scared. Where is he under there?
Yeah, I see his tail. His tail. Miranda, we should adopt him. I want him.
No. Nothing looks scary.
Look at him.
Oh,
He's so cute.
do you want to play video games?
Wait, I gotta
Play video games.
go. Pause. Where's he? Where's this dude going? Where are you going? Where could he possibly be going? Yeah, he's marking our food as his territory. He wants our chairs. He wants our table. What do you want from us? He's nibbling from the ground. He's nibbling. He's eating something.
Uh-oh. Probably my leftovers. No. It's probably beans.
A bean. Yeah, a bean. He's eating our beans. It's crunchy. Oh.
Where's the cat food, Miranda? In the garage.
Oh, look at you. So weird.
Some
What the heck?
Where's Tina?
Okay, we're gonna need to end in like 12 seconds. What the heck?
Don't let her out though. And then she's
What are you doing? Why are you eating the bean? Bean.
gonna...